Hello again all. This is just going to be a very quick update on the Scirocco. As you can see, I now have it up on a rollover stand or rotisserie or whatever you want to call it. So I've been building this. Took about a week in all, and it was a zero cost build. All the materials were stuff I already had. So I'll quickly go through the construction. The cross tube and the upright are 60mm diameter 5mm wall tubing that I pulled out of the metal skip at my previous employment, and they were refitting a building, and these were the central heating pipes. I think these were virgin pieces of angle that I had as relatively short lengths. The bearing blocks I did buy, but for a project that went a different way, so they were just sitting on the shelf. Some of the angle, like these pieces that are going to the bumper mounts, I think were fence posts, and that again I salvaged, being thrown away, and these were the sections that weren't rotten. Had a bit of plate that I managed to get the circle out. I did actually weld up some holes. The taper lock sprocket was one that came with an electric motorcycle project and had quite a bit of wear on it, so I just recycled it into a hub to have the disc to value index. This bit of tubing in the grey paint, which is actually the lightest stuff in the whole build. It's 1.5mm wall, maybe slightly thicker. And as I recall, we got a piece of equipment, and these were part of the packing for it. And although they're very thin wall, it's such a large section, it's quite sturdy enough for the job. And I've made it as a bolt together so that when I eventually, hopefully, am able to stop using it, I will be able to collapse it down somewhat rather than having it this very awkward T-shape. Now, my camera's warned me about a low battery, so let's try and hurry up. You can see I've found some more rust now that nearly all the glass is out. Everything but the windscreen is out. I want to try and get the screen out without breaking it, which is very hard. I can get a new screen, but I'd rather get this one out and be able to put it back if I can. And apart from that, all the wiring loom is out. I've started removing the sound deadening because quite a lot of it's broken and loose in any case. So the next job will be to start tackling some of the areas of rust, and to do that I need to be able to use the air tools. And since I evicted my compressor, I'm running a plumbed in air line to where I've got it sitting outside. So as I say, very quick update, and hopefully another one before too long.